Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. I'm coming back with another DIY for you guys. You know I like to share with you the ideas that I come up with so you guys can make them for yourself too. I have two Glam storage ideas to share with you guys. Majority of the items I used are from Dollar Tree, but some is from Hobby Lobby and Totally Dazzled. Hopefully your Dollar Tree will have some of the items that I used. Yeah, because I know not everybody's Dollar Tree carry the same things. Same with ours here in Canada. We all don't have the same things. There's a lot of things America has that we don't get. But you know, we do what we can and make it work. Yeah, so I'm going to share with you guys what these items are. One of them is right here. You can't see it very good, but I have my throw blanket in it. So, but in the video, you'll see what they are and I'm going to show you how to make them. And I hope if you're here for the first time and you're not subscribed to my channel, you'll press that subscribe button and then press the bell next to it so you'll get notified every time I upload a next DIY that I like to share with you guys. Alright everyone, let's get into the DIYs I have to share with you today. Just for your attention, I work hard for it. Call me up right now, girl, I've recovered. And I realize that I've made a big mistake. Choosing material that. Alright everyone, these are the items that we'll be using for our first DIY. And everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see what everything is and where I got them from. Okay, we're going to start with the mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I will be placing them together with duct tape because we're making a tall box with them, and I like securing things with the duct tape. I find it works out much better for me, so this is how I make my boxes. So I'm just going to put a duct tape on each side. And now we're going to put our box standing up and then join the duct tape to this side also. There we have our box. Now we're going to use some hot glue and seal the sides because our box is a little shaky, and the glue will help hold it and make it more sturdy. And let the glue dry between you guys, because you know it's hot glue, so it takes a minute to really dry and be secure. And then we're going to turn it upside down or turn it over and glue the other side of the four corners. And now that the glue is all dry, I'll be using this foam board, and we're just going to trace out the inside of the box because I want to make a bottom part for the box. So we're just going to use a pencil, any pencil or pen, and just trace out the box. Trace out the four sides of the box. So we'll have a bottom piece. And just use an X-Acto knife and then just cut out the bottom piece of our box. And now we're just going to take our bottom piece and put it inside the box, push it all the way down. And I'll be using some more duct tape, you guys, and taping around the four sides of the box. The four sides of the bottom piece of the box. And once I do that, I will be adding some more hot glue to secure the bottom piece inside of our square box. Now we have these rose gold gems from Totally Dazzled. So I'm just going to show you how it's easy to take the tabs off the back. And now they're flat, so we can use them and glue them onto our mirrors that we got from the Dollar Tree. Now I have 4 mirrors, and I'll be putting 4 gems on the 4 mirrors. And here is our box, you guys. It's all nice and sturdy with the bottom piece on. And let me show you the inside. See, I added glue around the 4 corners of the bottom of the box to make sure it's secure, well in place. So now we're going to add these Bling rose gold strips from Totally Dazzled. to the four corners of our box to hide the little imperfections where the mirrors meet up. Just like that. So we're just going to add the hot glue, and I'll be doing this to the four corners. And here's our box with the four corners all blinged out. Doesn't it look nice, you guys? So now we're going to add our octagon mirrors, I think it is, with some E6000 and some hot glue to our box. And I did take the tabs off the mirrors, you guys. The tabs and the little stickers on the back. Just put them in some water and take them off. The mirrors stick better when you take off those tabs. And here is DIY number 1. And here are the items that we'll be using for DIY number 2. And as always, they will be listed below in the description box. Alright everyone, we're going to start with the mirrors again from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to make a letter T with these mirrors. And as usual, I'm going to use my duct tape, you guys. I love using the duct tape. I think it's more secure. And that's what I like doing. So now we have the duct tape and we're going to join our box together. And now we're just going to use the hot glue along the sides and the bottom and all that just to help secure and keep it in place. Now we have our box and we're going to use our silver bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. And again, do the four corners or the four sides. Hide the imperfections of the box with the bling wrap. And now I'm going to use these acrylic gems that you can get from Hobby Lobby if you're in America. Or if you're over here, you can get them at Dollarama. And we'll be blinging out the bottom of our box. And I'm just going to continue this same pattern going along the four sides of our box, you guys. Now for the lid of our box, I have this little crystal here that I got from, it was a tie that you can get to tie back your curtains. So I just tore off one of the crystals and I'll be putting lots of hot glue and having it stand up on the top of the mirror. Now you have to hold it for a minute, you guys, because you know the hot glue is hot, so it doesn't hold right away. But give it a minute and hold it. And I'll be using these gems here to reinforce it, going right around to help keep it in place. Just making a nice lid. A nice handle for our lid. And there we go. And now I'll be adding some more gems from Totally Dazzled, going right around the four sides of our little silver storage box. And here is DIY number 2, you guys. And here's both our storage DIYs for today. I think they both look very nice. The tall mirrors from the Dollar Tree and the small mirrors from the Dollar Tree make two nice blinged out storage containers. Yeah, this little one looks so nice. I love it with the gems. And the little knob I made for the lid is so super cute, you guys. And I love the way the acrylic gems look around the bottom of the box. It looks very nice. And our gems from Totally Dazzled. OMG, I love them. I love it. I love the rose gold box, which is a taller box. It's very nice, and I'm going to show you what I'm using this taller box for. And here's how I'll be using the tall box, you guys. I'm using it to hold my throw blanket next to my couch. Yes, I wanted something to keep my throw blanket in. I said I'll make it myself, so that's what I did. So here I have it right here. I think it just looks so nice. And you know, you could use it for anything that you choose. You can use it to store your throw blankets too. It can hold more than one, which is really neat. I like it. And our smaller storage box is really nice. You can put any item you want in it. It's a nice blinged out box. I think it looks really cute. You can put jewelry, any little personal item that you want, or you could just use it as a decor piece with nothing inside because it looks absolutely beautiful. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIYs that I had for today. And don't forget to give me a like, give me that thumbs up. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Bliss. Bye bye, everyone. I just need you back. Up on the 4 6, yeah, yeah.